Noah preached for 120 years and his family was converted. 7 people. Genesis 6 verse 3, and you will read it at your free time. And then Genesis 7 verse 13. Jonah preached for 40 days and 120 people were converted. 120,000 people were converted. You'll read Jonah 3 verse 4 and Jonah 4 verse 11.
Mmesikia vile amesema? Did you get what she said? What did she say?
Noah preached for 120 years. 7 people were converted. Jonah preached for 40 days. 120,000 people were converted.
Say amen. Kuna mwingine? Yesu Mwokozi ananipenda, kweli hupenda, Mungu amesema, anipenda ni kweli, Mungu anena hili, sisi wake watoto, kutulinda sizito. Yesu Mwokozi ananipenda, kweli hupenda, Mungu amesema. Wanabarua, hebu tu spell, ni kuspell ama ni kupronounce? Spell the letters mnaona hapo. L O B V E. Wasome hiyo jina yote. Wasome hiyo jina yote. Aya, rudia sasa haraka haraka. Trigo. Ukimaliza unasema hiyo jina. Anza. L-O-V-E, love. Na nyuma yao kuna love. Sasa ukiona wako na barua. Na hiyo barua ndio tunataka kusoma. We want to read the letter here. Kila mtu atoe barua yake. Alafu L.
L means you show that you are a letter from Christ.
Show that you are a letter from Christ.
O means the result of our ministry written not in ink.
The result of our ministry not written in ink.
V means but with the Spirit of the living God, not on tablets of stone.
But with the Spirit of the living God, not on the tablets of stone.
E means but on tablets of human hearts.
But on tablets of human hearts.
I, God's love is written in each of you, in your hearts, all of you. Kila mtu aseme in my heart. There is written a letter. In my heart. There is written a letter. And this letter comes from God. This letter comes from who? In whose heart? You say my heart. In whose heart? There is what? There is what? A letter written. So let us remember that we are letters. And as letters, let us remember that we are loved. We are done what? We are chosen. We are done what? we are forgiven. We are done what? And lastly, let us remember that we are wonderfully loved by God. May God bless us all.
This comes from which book? Tuone wenye nakumbuka memory verse. Memory verse from the congregation. Aya. Yesu Mwokozi ananipenda, kweli hupenda, Mungu amesema. Say amen. Waambie shine.